Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a Mojave Silver Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one does come with the AMG Sports Appearance Package, which is going to give you 20-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. A diamond style grille up front. Black MBTEX AMG interior, panorama sunroof. We've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badge, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. And alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, LED logo which appears when you open the door, Burmeister sound system, a natural grain gray oak wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition. This one also does come with the multimedia package, which is going to give you navigation. Also gives you our new artificial intelligence MBUX. You can give commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it a voice command and it will do so. We've got a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, a wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, our new touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 3,552 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300, check out feldmannimports.com.